his tool in the shed. She was looking kinda dumb with her finger and her thumb in the shape of an L on her forehead. Well, the years start coming and they don't stop coming. Back to the rules and I hit the ground running. Didn't make sense not to live for fun. Your brain gets smart, but your head gets dumb. So much to do, so much to see. So what's wrong with taking the back street? You'll never know if you don't go. You'll never shine if you don't grow. Hey now, you're an all-star. Get your game on, go play. Hey now, you're a rock star. Get the show on, get paid. And all that glitters is gold. Only shooting stars break the mold.
Once I reveal the vote, the evicted house guest will have a few moments to say their goodbyes, gather his or her belongings, and will be added to the Padlock jury chat, Skype chat. That being said, by a vote of 6-0, Tyler, you are safe. Kendyl, you have been evicted from the Padlock house.
Bum, bum, bum. All right, friends, my last words. When in doubt, follow the spiders, and also, I'll need someone to feed Fane while I'm gone. Love you guys.
Bye, Kendyl.